A few days ago, I asked you guys, what is your number one struggle on Etsy? And I got so many responses here on YouTube, on my Instagram page, as well as on my Facebook groups. And a couple of the comments that stood out to me the most were how to convert visits into sales, how to get more visibility for my products, and how to get consistent sales on a regular basis. These were the top 3 responses that majority of you guys shared with me that is a struggle when it comes to your Etsy shop growth. I wanted to create a video today where I give you some practical advice on how to get more sales on Etsy, things that you should be doing that will help you create systems in place to grow on autopilot, which will also help you focus on other areas of your business, and how to speed up the process that will help you validate your product ideas a lot faster, and then you can make decisions based on actual data. So as you can see, I'm going to be covering a lot on this video. This is going to be a value-packed video, so make sure to stick around with me until the end. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy, and I help Etsy sellers turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos, and let's head over to my computer to get started. Tip number 1, it all starts with a irresistible, unique product. So what you want to do is create a product that caters to a specific market. And it's not about reinventing the wheel and creating a product from scratch. How can you make a product that will sell in the Etsy marketplace and make it better than your competitors? So whether you are starting out or you have existing products, you want to make sure that you answer the following questions. Why will customers buy from you? How is your product better than the competition? What are the main pain points that you are solving? If you can't answer these questions about your products, you need to focus on this before proceeding with anything else. If you're having a hard time adding your unique selling proposition, what you could do is find who are your top 3 competitors, look at what they're offering, and analyze what are their strengths, what are their weaknesses, and use that information to make your product better than theirs. If you have a product that everyone else is selling and is not memorable enough, it will be hard to convert visits into actual sales. You might get the occasional sale here and there, but not make enough to make Etsy your full-time income. Tip number 2 is getting favorites but no sales is not always a bad thing. If you're getting a lot of favorites on a specific listing, but it's not translating into sales, that's a good indicator that people do like your products. So this is your opportunity to see what can you do to improve this listing for a higher conversion. So look at your product description because it does play a significant role whether you will make a sale or not. So you will need to describe precisely what you're selling and be as detailed as possible. So if you sell tangible items, then you will need to describe the item, the size, the precise measurements, the color of the item. Do you accept returns, exchange, or cancellations? And including all of these elements on the listing description will help avoid any confusion. It will help you build credibility with the buyers and close out the sale. This might be the missing ingredient on why these visits are not translating into sales. A lot of people have decent photos, they have decent Etsy SEO, but when it comes to their description, is lacking and they're not able to sell their products for some reason. So take your time when crafting your descriptions because they do really help you close out the sale. Tip number 3 is use descriptive words to gain visibility. So when people on Etsy are searching on the Etsy feed, they use descriptive words to find what they're looking for. So an example of this would be black table lamp. This is why using long tail keywords is the best way to get in front of your target audience, and it helps you increase your sales. When someone types in on the search bar, black table lamp, they're searching with an intent to buy because they know exactly what they're looking for. So focus on keyword phrases instead of using single words like table or lamp. They are so broad and harder to rank for. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and comment below. And if you're ready to start, manage, and scale your Etsy business to a full-time income, make sure to grab my Etsy Mastery course today. I'm going to leave the details right below the description box. Tip number 4 is do SEO research before creating a new product. So the biggest mistake you can make as an Etsy seller is not doing the grunt work of researching your keywords. You have to validate your product ideas first before making the actual product. So doing keyword research to see if you could find, right, profitable keywords. This is really going to help you because it's going to determine whether you could rank organically or would this new product idea require for you to run ads to get more exposure due to it being on a saturated market. This is going to save you a lot of time, a lot of effort, and even money in the long run. Tip number 5 is focus on customer retention. So while focusing on new leads is great, don't forget about customer retention. So many sellers are so focused on the next customer that they forget about the current customers they currently have. So some things that you could do to build loyal fans is, I recommend setting up a thank you coupon that should be sent out 24 hours after you mark an order complete to encourage that buyer to become a repeat buyer. In addition, include a handwritten thank you card to make the experience a memorable one for the customer. You can reach out to the customer to make sure they received their package and if they have any questions for you. And this is allowed by Etsy. And doing little things like this will help you get raving fans in the long run who will want to buy from you over and over again. Tip number 6 is speed up the process of validating your products with Etsy ads. So as you probably have experienced, growing a business organically takes a lot of dedication, a lot of time, a lot of consistency. However, if you have the means, like if you have the budget, I recommend running Etsy ads. This will help fast track the product validation process by getting your products in front of more people faster and quicker than organic methods will. This is also going to help you see if your product idea is a winning product or if you need to make any additional changes to it. Tip number 7, create systems and processes to grow your business on autopilot. Putting your business on autopilot means that it can thrive without you, the owner, right, needing to show up to work in the business every day. So how do you get your business on autopilot? Here's some ways to automate your business. 1, automate your email marketing with an email sequence. Number 2, batch out your social media content and use a scheduling tool to automate everything for you. Number 3 is run any form of advertising if you have the means for it, whether it is on Etsy or Facebook ads, that drive continuous traffic to your products. Number 4 is hire VA to delegate some work that maybe you don't want to do and that will help you free up more time for other things. 5, start blogging to drive organic traffic to your products regularly. Number 6 is create processes for your Etsy business, test them out, and see what works, what doesn't work, and keep refining your process until you find what works best for your Etsy business. If you follow these Etsy tips, it will help you create a business that will grow on autopilot with processes and systems in place and help you grow a sustainable business for the long run. Make sure to check out these videos below that will help you grow an impactful Etsy business. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.